By the year 2070, the very idea of a home will no longer be confined to four walls and a roof, but will evolve into an intelligent ecosystem that thinks, feels, and adapts to every human need in ways that today sound like science fiction. Imagine walking through a door that recognizes you instantly through quantum-level biometric scans, adjusting the temperature, lighting, and even the scent of the air based on your current mood and health, while invisible nanobots circulating in your walls purify the air, repair microscopic damages, and even release tailored nutrients into your water supply to improve your immune system. Your kitchen will no longer be a place of cooking alone, but a living laboratory where AI-driven robotic chefs prepare meals with molecular precision. Holographic nutritionists appear on demand to recommend diets, and 3D food printers create dishes you've never tasted before, fusing flavors from cultures across the planet and even synthesized elements from space farming. Bedrooms will transform into dreamscapes, with smart surfaces shifting color and texture, adaptive mattresses reading your neural signals to trigger perfect REM cycles, and immersive VR domes projecting any environment you desire, whether it's sleeping under the auroras of Mars or by a quiet beach of the Pacific, while simultaneously recharging your body using biofeedback loops. Healthcare will become the foundation of every smart home, with AI doctors embedded into walls and furniture constantly monitoring your heartbeat, blood chemistry, and neural activity, predicting illnesses decades before they surface, and deploying nanodrones within your bloodstream to repair cells, reverse aging damage, and customize longevity treatments, making it possible for families to live healthy lives well past 120 years. Education within the home will be revolutionized through interactive hologram teachers, AI mentors tailored to your child's learning style, and quantum-linked libraries that allow instant access to the collective knowledge of humanity and beyond, effectively eliminating the barriers between school, work, and play. Entertainment will evolve into full sensory immersion, where walls dissolve into cinemas, VR worlds, and interplanetary adventures, with AI storytellers that create personalized sagas unique to each family member, making boredom an extinct concept. Energy systems will shift to self-sustaining fusion reactors small enough to power individual homes, rendering external electricity grids obsolete, while houses themselves will be built from self-healing bioengineered materials that adapt to weather, natural disasters, and even climate changes. Meaning your home could survive a hurricane or earthquake without visible damage. Transportation will integrate directly with homes as driveways are replaced by vertical drone ports and quantum levitation pads that allow vehicles to materialize, disassemble, or launch directly from your rooftop. Blurring the line between domestic life and interplanetary travel, social interaction will be redefined as smart homes connect in neural networks, enabling family members or even entire communities to share emotions, thoughts, and experiences directly, building empathy-driven societies, but also raising questions about privacy and identity in a hyper-connected age. Spirituality and emotional well-being will also be woven into the architecture, with meditation rooms where AI-driven environments respond to your inner stress levels, shifting into serene landscapes, music tuned to your heartbeat, and AI companions designed to provide not just assistance, but companionship, empathy, and even love, making loneliness itself a forgotten human condition. And yet, with all this marvel, the greatest transformation may not be in technology, but in the very definition of humanity. As our homes nurture us to become hybrid beings, part biological, part digital, and part cosmic explorers, living in spaces that are no longer houses but living, breathing partners in our journey through existence, reminding us that by 2070, the smartest homes will not just shelter us from the world, they will expand the very boundaries of what it means to be alive.